Hello guys, welcome to Easy Class YouTube channel. Okay, today I am going to discuss you about Kcet. Okay, about Kcet weightage of physics. Okay, now today I am tell you the each chapter weightage and each chapter's analysis for from 7 years by referring the 7 years question papers. Okay. Means for each chapter I am referred 7 years question paper, and in each year how much they are asking, how much marks they are asking for the each chapter questions. Okay, on the base of that I am telling you the approximate weightage of each chapters. I will discuss for second PUC also, and I will discuss for first PUC also. Okay, before going to discussion of that weightage of physics subject for Kcet, I will tell you one thing. See here, students, if you want to prepare for Kcet and JEE, both will having a subject PCM. Okay, physics, chemistry, and maths. Okay, for NEET only you have to you must prepare for physics, chemistry, and biology. Okay, it means in NEET and JEE and CET there is a different only for physics and biology and maths. Okay, what I am telling you, if you want to prepare NEET, you have to prepare for physics. If you want to prepare for Kcet, you must prepare for physics. If you want to prepare for JEE, you have to prepare for physics, and also for chemistry also same thing. These two subjects will come for all competitive exams like Kcet, JEE, and next for NEET also. Okay, means these two are the very important chapters. Okay, because of this reason I am going to discuss you about physics chapter, physics subject, because lot of students don't know the weightage and proper schematic blueprint of the subject for preparing Kcet. Okay, due to this reason I brought today analysis of all chapters with previous year 7 years question paper bank, and I will going to discuss all these chapters with the each marks, and I will tell you the total approximate questions will ask for every Kcet exam. Okay, for this year exams they will ask according to the 30% reduced syllabus structure. Okay students, now we will discuss the Kcet physics chapter wise weightage for second PUC. Okay, you will get here the screen of a image, and you can easily refer and you may note the points here. Okay, first all of you know the chapter in physics second PUC first chapter, that is electric charges and fields. Okay, in electric charges and fields in 2014 they asked for 4 marks, 15 4 marks, and for 2016 they asked 3 marks, 2017 also they have asked 3, 1, 4, 5, and average questions they will ask for electric charges and fields 3.4 average. Okay, means the total marks they may be asked from 3 to 5 marks on first chapter of electric charges and fields. Means in the first chapter only you will get minimum marks 3 marks and maximum nearly 5 marks. Means you have to go through the conceptual questions, and you must refer 10 years previous question bank, and you have to solve all the questions with each with the solution, and you have to increase your skills of solving the numericals, and without having the calculator we need to solve the numericals. That is very important. And next chapter, that is the electrostatic potential and capacitance. From this chapter also 2014 they have asked 3 mark, 2015 they have asked 2 mark, 16 4 mark, for 2017 also 3 mark question, 2018 also 5 mark, 19 5 mark, 24 mark. Okay, average questions asked from this chapter, that is 3.7 marks, that is from 3 to 5 mark they will ask from this chapter. The one of the biggest and very important chapter for the board examination and also for Kcet and JEE and NEET also, that is current electricity. From current electricity you will get maximum from 5 to 7 marks. Okay, from in 2014 they asked 4 marks, in 2015 asked for 6 mark, in 17 7 mark, 18 6, 19 6, 26, and average you will get 6 mark from this chapter. Okay, from these 3 chapters you will get nearly 11 to 12 marks from this chapter. Okay, see here, I will tell the structure, that is from second year you will get 45 marks from second PUC physics and remaining 15 mark from first year. From first year, from 45 from second PUC syllabus. The total marks for Kcet of the physics, that is 60 marks. Physics also 60, chemistry also 60, and biology also 60. Okay, from second year 45 marks, from first year 15 marks you will get. Okay, total 60 marks. Fortunately, you students there is no negative marks for the questions. Okay, there is no negative marks for the wrong answers. Okay, and each question will carry 1 mark. Okay, each question will carry 1 mark. So our 60 mark, the total will be 60 mark paper. Okay, now I will explain you the next chapter, weightage, that is moving charges and magnetism. Okay, from moving charge and magnetism, 2014 5 mark question, means 5 questions have asked, and in 2015 also they have asked 4 questions, 1 mark each, and 2016 also they have asked 3 questions, and 2017 also 3 questions, 18 also 4 questions, 19 also 4, 26. The average will be nearly 4 to 5 marks they will ask, means 4 to 6 mark you will get from moving charges and magnetism. Okay, this is also very important from 1 to 4 chapters. Okay, next from magnetism and matter, the 5th chapter, that is magnetism and matter, they will ask in 2014 2 questions, next 15 3 questions, 16 2 questions, 17 4 questions, 2 questions each year, 2 and 3 year. The average will be 2.5. The average questions may become 2 to 4 marks. Because of reduced syllabus, you will get more questions from these chapters. Whatever the chapters they have asked previously low marks and low questions, they will increase their weightage for this year. Okay, next, electromagnetic induction. Okay, in electromagnetic induction 2014 1 mark 1 question, in 2015 3 mark 3 question, 16 also 2 mark, 3 2 3 2, the average will be 2.2 and 2 to 3 mark. If you prepared properly from the 1 to 6 chapter, you will get nearly 23 to 24 marks. Okay, nearly 20 above marks and below 25 marks you will get from 1 to 6 chapter. Okay, for the preparation, if you want, I will make the separate video for the preparation of Kcet of physics. Okay, if you want, I will do the video separately for the preparation strategy and the time management. What are the subjects you have to prepare? What is the time management? How to time management for the examination? I will make the video for that. If you want, I will make on that concept. I will make separate video for that. Okay, now the next chapter, that is alternating current. In alternating current, definitely they will ask on the LCR circuits, and they will ask to the mutual inductance, mutual induction, and inductor, next capacitor, and LCR series circuit, like that, EMF, ERMS, IRMS, like that. The number of questions will be there on the transformer. They will ask number of questions. They will ask on the 1 mark question. In 2014 alternating current, they have asked 4 questions. In 2015 3 questions. In 2016 4 questions. 2, 5, 2, 4, means average 3.4 marks will come from alternating current. It means nothing that the marks of the weightage for alternating current, that is 3 to 4 mark. Next, the electromagnetic waves. Electromagnetic waves, it is a small chapter, and from you may or may not be get from this chapter the questions to Kcet. They will ask one mark question. They will ask. Okay, in 2014 they asked for 1 mark. 15 also 1 question, 16 also 1 question, in 17 also 1 question, 18 there will be no question, 19 also 1 question, 20 also there is a 1 question, on 20 they have not asked any question. Okay, next average will be 1 to 2 questions. If it is possible, they will ask 1 question, 1 mark question, otherwise they will ask for 2 questions also. Next, the ray optics. Another, the package of modern physics, that is in electrical subjects you have to prepare for up to 8 chapters. From first chapter, second chapter, 3. The main important chapters are from 1 to 7. Alternating current, you will get nearly 25 to 30 marks, and remaining 15 marks you will get from modern physics. That is, from ray optics you will get 3 to 4 marks question. The first 2014 they have asked 3 questions, in 2015 2 questions, in 2016 4 questions, 16 4 questions, 17 2 questions, 18 3, 19 4 questions, 20 questions, 20 4 questions, and average will be 3.1. Nothing but from 3 to 4 mark questions definitely will come on the chapter of ray optics in your Kcet physics. Okay, in Kcet they will definitely ask 3 to 4 mark questions. Means in ray optics you are going to the learn the concepts of microscopic, telescopic and lens formula, and the image formation, the properties of image. Next there is a reasons for the phenomenon of a light, and next there is a Snell's law. On that basic concept they will frame a basic question, and they will also ask for the numericals also on the prism. Like that, prism questions means you have to solve 10 years or 7 years question papers, then only you will get a clear picture of the questions only. Okay, now the next chapter, that is wave optics. Okay, in wave optics also there will be number of concepts and number of interesting concepts. They will can we make many number of tricky questions on these chapters. Okay, let's see. From wave optics they have asked for 2014 they asked the 3 questions, from 15 also 3 questions, 16 also 3 questions, from 17 4, 18 4, 19 3, 23, and average will be 3.2. Nothing but from ray optics also 3 to 4 marks question, from wave optics also they will ask 3 to 4 marks question. Means nothing, from ray optics, wave optics you will definitely get 8 marks or minimum 6 marks. Means already you are prepared for 25, next 6 months means 30 to 31 mark you are getting from these 8 chapters, these 10 chapters. Next, dual nature of particle and radiation. From this chapter they have asked 2014 2 questions, in 15 2 questions, 16 2 questions. Means every year they are asking the 2 questions. Here the clarity is very clear that every year they will definitely ask the questions on this chapter 2 questions. Okay, 2 mark will be fixed for this chapter. Okay, next, atoms 2 3 2 2 2 2 2 means average will be 2.4. Nothing but from here also 2 questions. Next, nuclei also 2 3 3 3 2 3 2 2 point. Means from nuclei also you will get 2 to 3 questions from this chapter. Okay, semiconductor, from semiconductor 3 and 15 they have asked 5 marks question, because this is one of the highest questions asked from semiconductor this year. In 16 3 questions, in 17 5 marks, in 4 2 3 means the average will be 3.5. Means 1 year they have asked, 2 years they have asked on semiconductor 5 marks, means 5 questions they have asked, and in the alternating years they have 3 4 5 5 like that. Means you have to focus on this chapter also. Along with ray optics, wave optics, you have to prepare for semiconductor also. That is also very important chapter. From you here also you will get 3 to 4. Okay, in 2014 they have asked from this chapter 39 marks. From 2015 from all these chapters counting 44 marks, 43, 18 43, 19 44, 20 47. Means the average marks from all these chapters you are getting 43.4, means nearly 44 and 45. Okay, from this conclusion I am going to tell there is a definitely 45 questions and 45 marks will comes from this second year syllabus. Okay, I am giving you with the proof only. Okay, you are getting the image also here calculation is also done, and I am giving you the clear idea about the weightage here from the second PUC Kcet physics. Okay, now 45 marks from second PUC you have to prepare from initially only. You must thorough with the concept, you must go with the diagrams and circuits and applications of Kirchhoff's law for in current electricity. Next there is a Wheatstone's bridge, like that, cells in series, cells in parallel, number of internal resistance concept, and next you have to go through the resistor circuits, resistors, capacitors, capacitor circuit. Next, number of numerical concepts are there. And one more thing the many of students are doing in Kcet exams, in competitive exams they will not allow you any calculators. So please students focus, and if you are preparing for KCET, JEE NEET, you have to prepare for, you have to ready for calculation without calculator. Okay, in board exams we will provide, you have allowed to bring a calculator, but in competitive exam they will not allow you use calculator. You have to do with your own calculation. Okay, next I will explain the weightage for first year. Okay, in first year, first chapter, that is physical load. From physical load there will be no question will be asked. Okay, from units and dimensions. From second chapter you asked the question from 14 one question, in 2015 one question, in 2016 one question, 17 one question, 18 to 1 means average will be one question. From second chapter of first year you will get one question. Okay, in next motion in a straight line, this is also in velocity, acceleration, and uniform velocity, uniform acceleration, like that, the derivations and the problems, relaxation, and next, that is the retardation concept. On that concept, displacement concept, distance, they will make a tricky questions from numerical. They will ask a concept on the base of graphs. They will ask questions from motion in straight line. Okay, see here from 2014 they have asked 2 more question. 2 means one question from 2015, one question for 2016, one question for 17, 1 2 means average will be 1 to 2 questions will ask from this chapter. Next, motion in plane, 2 1 2 2 and 18 they have not asked any question. 1 1 1.2 1 2. In motion in plane also there will be number of huge concepts, and they will ask any type of questions, and we have to solve them. Again I am telling you, same, just clear the concept, try to solve the questions. Don't wait for the all the getting of all concepts. Just if you are getting any simple concept, try to search these different problems on that which are asked in previous paper, solve and prepare. Okay, day by day you will getting the concepts. Don't wait for the getting of all the chapter concept, and don't wait for the completion of chapter. If you are completing today the uniform velocity, for example projectile concept, then you have to go home and take a number of reference books and the 10 years paper question bank book and solve the questions. Try to make a note and make a separate note for the learning of new things from those question paper by solving those question papers. Okay, and also refer different authors. For example, H.C. Verma's textbook, and next NCERT textbook is one of the best textbook for making the notes of for Kcet and NEET for JEE. Okay, next move to the chapter, that is laws of motion. From laws of motion they will ask 1 to 2 questions. From work power energy they will ask average 1 question. From system of particles they have asked throughout the year 3 questions. From 14 2 questions for 15, 2 questions for 17, 16, 1 question for 17, like that 2 to 3 questions they will ask. Okay, from mechanical properties of solids also 1 question, 1.2 1 2. From thermal properties of matter, means you are getting the all image of this weightage here. Go through, take a screenshot of this image and write it in your note. And if you are interested to preparing for Kcet, focus on this weightage and try to solve. Okay, next, from waves you will get 1 to 2 questions. Okay, from this analysis I am getting that from the first year you will get definitely 15 mark, nearly 15 mark, and from second year you will get 45 marks. Okay, this is about the weightage of Kcet of for the physics. Okay, lot of students are asking me and telling me to make a videos on the weightage of physics. We are going to the weightage of weightage of each chapters on the physics subject. So I plan to make an analysis of, and I taken the every year's question bank, every year questions, make a list on and make this type of list, and I am explaining today. If you think if it is a use for you, and try to share this video and subscribe and like and comment. Okay, don't forget to subscribe and share. Okay.